Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download mods from the Steam Workshop for Skyrim. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several menu options there. Hover your mouse over the Community option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Workshop. This will take you to Steam's Workshop Hub, where you can browse and download user-created content for various games. Once the Workshop page loads, look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll notice a search bar there. Click on it and type Skyrim into the search field. As you type, Steam will show you suggested results. From the suggestions that appear, click on the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. This will take you directly to Skyrim's dedicated workshop page, where thousands of mods are available for you to explore and download. Now take a look at the left panel of the workshop page. Here you'll see a variety of filters that help you narrow down the type of content you're looking for. These filters allow you to sort mods by categories such as gameplay changes, visual enhancements, new items, characters, and much more. Click on your preferred variety to filter the results. This makes it easier to find exactly what you're interested in without having to browse through everything manually. After applying your filter, browse through the results that appear on the page. You'll see a collection of workshop mods that match your selected category. Each mod will have a thumbnail image, a title, and some basic information about what it does. Take your time to review the options and click on your preferred workshop mod from the results. This will open the mod's individual page, where you can read more details about it, view screenshots, and see user ratings and comments. On the mods page, you'll see a subscribe button. Click subscribe and Steam will immediately begin handling the download process for you. The great thing about Steam Workshop is that it works entirely in the background. You don't need to manually download files, extract folders, or move anything around. Steam will automatically download the mod and integrate it into your Skyrim game files without any extra effort on your part. The process is seamless and user-friendly, making modding accessible even if you've never done it before. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to a Skyrim mod through Steam Workshop, and Steam is now downloading and installing it automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.